Good morning, good morning. It is early, what's it is? Wednesday morning. This is Early Morning Chronicles, Spark Edition. It is 6:52 a.m. I just picked up a 2 drop off at $15. I told you, going in my throat get dry. I can't remember if they was both apartments or anything. But so we on our way to go pick up this delivery, and then we'll be on our way to work. And I didn't even look to see if it was a lot of waters. I'm praying that it's not, but we're going to make this little bit of change. Thank God for every bit I can make to pay down debt. And this weekend I'm going out of town to see. I've been out of town and it's been a minute since I've been out of town, and especially to Blacksburg, Virginia. That's where my daughter is. So I'm going to visit her, and then I'll be back. So like I said, I always make a goal for what I have planned to do. So I put money aside for my trip, and I'm still on this debt journey. I put money away for my car because it's time for inspection. My inspection is due by April, the end of April. So I'm putting money aside for that. It shouldn't be. I'm praying there's nothing wrong with the car to get fixed. It shouldn't need no tires. It shouldn't need a windshield wiper. Just put that on. And so we're gonna see. We're on our way to go get this delivery. I'll be back when I get there. Okay, guys, we're at the Walmart and see if we can get spot number 1. Let's see.
At the stop sign, turn right. Then you'll turn left into the parking lot.
I think we can get spot number 1. Don't look like no one's in spot 1. And I pray they come straight out. That way we can get it delivered.
Turn left into the parking lot. Then your destination will be on the right.
Yep, we got spot number 1. Alright guys, let's see you want to get the items in the car. Alright, the first one is going to an apartment. But I believe these are townhouses though. And there is an SS code. And it's going 5 minutes away. So let's go drop this off. It'd be nice if the next one is close too. Anyway, let's go drop this off. For your Walmart delivery.
Thank you.
Okay.
I long for the bride, but you knew me before I was born, so why would I try?
Town Square Drive. Then turn right onto Town Square Drive.
Which is the last drop off because it was only a 2 drop off, and it's only 6 minutes away. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then we still have plenty of time. You're gonna have time to stop and get some gas. That's one less thing I have to do when I get off work. So let's go drop this off.
After all my mistakes, I will trust in your grace.
emergency drop-offs. And the first one wasn't even an apartment. It was a townhouse. So, you know, that's not even 7:30, 7:29. I'm gonna stop and get some gas. Then I'll be on my way to work. I want to say, guys, thank you for always popping in and supporting and commenting. If you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please come be a part. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.